see you, I still see.
Hell yeah.
Yo, cuz by Reggie, back with another video. I actually came up to the shop to do a few things and cut my own hair while I cut a couple people hair. But first off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So today we are here after about a week and a half of non-stop use of the Onyx from JRL. This is the Onyx FF 2020c B. So here's the package. Of course, I did my unboxing, and we're just gonna talk about it a little bit. And I guess while we're here, because it's hard to review this without technically comparing it to the other one. Like sometimes when companies redo things to a clipper, you can kind of review it without, I mean, not without mentioning the other, but without going too much into the original version of that product, right? So, starting with the price. The price of the Onyx is $195. Release date is, don't know. I mean, it's out, but it's on pre-order. So they had a pre-order run in last month, early last month. They had a pre-order run, and those have sold out. So now they're on another pre-order run, right? And this is actually about 3 years, almost exactly after they did the original JRL 2020c. This is the package, and this is why I'm kind of comparing, right? Because like I said in my unboxing, the package is pretty much the same, right? Tell you the info, all that good stuff, right? But let's start with the 2020c, the Onyx. All right, it's $195 right now on pre-order. The original one is still available. That is $165. It is a few differences. And another thing with comparing them is the accessories that it come with is pretty much the same. The only difference with this, with the Onyx, as far as accessories, is it come with this stand. Now you can get the a stand for the 2020c, but the original stand did not have the IQ testing or the IQ reset on there, right? So that's the main difference between accessories. You get all the guards, you get the you do get the cleaning. Oh, man, let's look on here, right? You do get the, as far as accessories, you do get the cleaning brush, the screwdriver, you get 10 guards, the blade adjustment tool, and tool. So when in my last video, I was like, you can use this tool to clean out. Somebody was like, nah, that's the adjusting tool. I know this is the adjusting tool. I don't use it for that. And when they was releasing the original one, they was kind of like, yeah, but you can also stick this in there and clean it. So that's what I use it as. I use it to clean my in between my blades. That's just what I do, right? But yeah, then you did get the charging dock. So at $165, the only difference is in the accessory department is the charging dock. You can pay an extra $20 and get the other charging dock because I don't think these are on sale individually at the moment. But this is the machine. Nice little design. This is the design of the original one. This is a little bit slimmer, a little bit more lightweight. The lever is a bit different. They open to about the same distance, which is cool if you like the way that it opens on the original one or the Onyx, right? But this is the design, all black finish. And on this one, this is more of a plastic down here, and this is plastic, but it got a different feel. It got more of a sturdy feel to it. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not going anywhere. Then of course the back of them, they both got these indentures here, but this one has a little bit more like an extra print right there when you hold in your hands. Depending on how you fade, you can hold your hands there. Not saying that this one is a problem, but that is the difference in the design. And the blades are different. This one has a coating on it, which is the 2020c. It has a light coating on it. This one does as well, but it doesn't seem as plasticky as the original one, right? This blade actually cuts a little bit smoother. Now, if you've ever used the JRL 2020c, it cuts smooth, it's good with bulk, but this one just seems to go through a little bit smoother. That's just my opinion. When I've been fading with these, when I've been taking down bulk, now, you gotta make sure that the bulk, the thick hair, so when I try these clippers and go through bulk, I wanna go through some tough shit, right? So I'm trying to get it through bulk. Hell, I had some people this week, wasn't no clipper, just going straight through. So that's nothing to do with the 2020c at all, right? All right. So this does has the 2 speeds. It has 6,000 RPM on the slow speed, which that's the slow speed there. The high speed there. So this has 6,000 RPM on the slow speed and then 7,500 RPM on the fast speed, which is the difference between the speed on this. This one does has the 2 speeds as well, but on the fast speed it is 7,200 RPM versus 7,500 RPM on the Onyx. Is there a big difference in the feel? Not really. Does it change the aspect of how it cut? Not really. The only thing that changes the way that these cut is really the blade on here. I like this blade a lot more. All right. I like this blade a lot more. This is the sound. And this one is a couple years old, so take that with a grain of salt. So it has gotten louder over the moment, over time, but this is another one. And this was their gold and black transition model that came out. I put the Ever Since blade on there, so it's actually a different blade than all of these, but nonetheless. As far as using this 2020c, I was able to go through bulk. It was given a nice blend. I had no problem with it. Also, the difference between this is the hours, the time that it has. The original got you 4 hours of max time. This one got you 5 hours. On the fast speed, got you 5 hours. On the slow speed, it gives you 4. And the difference with this is the main difference is the technology that comes in this reset, right? This reset. And so JRL messaged me and it was like, the main thing with this is when you change it on the fast speed, it's like it kind of erases the battery life that it has and gives it another charge and all that stuff. The main thing though, when using this, a lot of people are just gonna put it on a charger. They're gonna keep it on the original speed and then they're just gonna set it on a charger throughout the day. That's what I think. I think it's good technology, but I don't think a lot of people, now it might be some, I'm not saying for all people, no one's gonna use the fast charge or nothing like that. But I had to kind of tell myself, hey, use this, right? To see what it does. Use this, right? And they said that you really only want to do it like once or twice a month. So with that in mind, most people are just going to leave it on the speed that it does or that it has and leave it at, leave it at the original speed. And this charging dock does charge the original JRL, but it will not, you will not be able to utilize the fast speed because these clippers do not have the same chip in it that these have to be able to have that fast charge and things of that nature. So there you go with that. So yeah, so I kind of been talking and I've been kind of going back and forth with this. So I guess we have pretty much made this a comparison video. JRL versus JRL, right? Which one should you buy? I think at this moment, go ahead and get the Onyx, all right? Now, if you're looking for one and you just want to try out the JRL, get the original 2020c, it's $165. But if you want the charging dock and the faster, the longer run time, the faster charge, the different blade, and all that extra stuff that come with it, go ahead and spend you $30 extra, because even if you do buy the original charging dock that they have for the JRL 2020c, it's gonna cost you about $20 anyway. You might as well go ahead and get the Onyx. That's my opinion, right? But I was able to cut good. I had no problem with this. I like this blade better. You know what I'm saying? It fades better. This machine goes through bulk. So as far as the aesthetics of it and everything, there's really no difference. As far as the cutting, there's really no difference. This blade is different, and then they got the technology and the charging dock and the longer run time. So there's the three main aspects that's different, in my opinion, or that I can see as so far. Maybe somebody else can point out something different, but the charging dock, the longer run time, and the blade is really the only difference besides the look. And this is the look, right? And it's a little bit slimmer. Take that how you want to. That's what I got. JRL 2020c Onyx, after a week and a half of use. Should you buy it? Yes. I've been using the JRL 2020c since they came out. Of course, I've been alternating because I do use a lot of clippers, but this is one that has always been on my station. And then when I switched it to that Ever Since blade, it's been there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, definitely try the Onyx out. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the video. All right, and I'll be back with another unboxing, another review, another tutorial, even though that's where I get all my hate comments at. I see y'all. But thank y'all. Thank you for watching. Peace.